Hello friends, the sacral chakra, also known as Svadhisthana, is the second chakra in the body's energy system. It is tied to creativity, emotions, sexuality, and pleasure. This chakra plays a central role in our ability to form meaningful relationships, as well as in our creative and emotional expression. We will explore the characteristics of the sacral chakra, its influence on our overall well-being, and ways to keep it balanced. The sacral chakra is located in the lower abdomen, just below the navel, and is represented by the color orange. Its element is water, symbolizing fluidity and adaptability. Physically, the sacral chakra is associated with the reproductive organs, kidneys, and bladder, as well as the lower back and hips. Emotionally, it governs our ability to experience pleasure, passion, and intimacy. When the sacral chakra is balanced, individuals experience emotional stability and a strong sense of connection with themselves and others. This balance fosters a healthy approach to intimacy and relationships, and it allows people to embrace their emotions without being overwhelmed. A balanced sacral chakra also fuels creativity and inspiration, enabling individuals to find joy and meaning in various aspects of life. Conversely, an imbalanced sacral chakra can lead to emotional instability, difficulties in relationships, and a lack of creative inspiration. People may struggle with feelings of guilt, shame, or fear around intimacy and sexuality, which can create challenges in forming healthy connections with others. Additionally, creative blocks and a lack of enthusiasm for life may arise. Meditation and visualization. Meditation and visualization are effective methods for balancing the sacral chakra. By focusing on the area just below the navel and visualizing an orange light radiating from the chakra, individuals can clear any blockages and restore balance. This practice encourages energy flow and promotes emotional stability. Yoga and physical movement. Yoga poses that target the hips and lower abdomen, such as the butterfly pose, pigeon pose, and hip openers, can help release tension in the lower body and encourage energy flow through the chakra. Practicing yoga regularly can lead to greater physical and emotional well-being. Nutrition and diet. Nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting the sacral chakra. Consuming foods with high water content, such as fruits and vegetables, helps keep the chakra nourished. Additionally, incorporating orange-colored foods like carrots, oranges, and sweet potatoes can resonate with the chakra's color and enhance its energy. Engaging in creative and pleasurable activities. Activities that bring joy and pleasure, such as painting, dancing, listening to music, or exploring new hobbies, can stimulate the sacral chakra and enhance creativity and emotional well-being. By embracing experiences that bring joy and fulfillment, individuals can maintain a healthy sacral chakra, cultivating healthy relationships and self-care. Healthy relationships and self-care are essential for balancing the sacral chakra. Open and honest communication with loved ones, setting boundaries, and practicing self-compassion contribute to emotional stability and a stronger connection to oneself and others. Developing trust and emotional intimacy in relationships supports sacral chakra health. Balancing the sacral chakra through meditation and visualization can be a powerful practice for promoting emotional stability and creativity. Here are some more examples of how individuals can use these methods. Guided meditation. Follow a guided meditation specifically designed to balance the sacral chakra. These meditations often include affirmations and visualizations of an orange light surrounding the chakra, promoting relaxation and emotional stability. Chanting mantras. Reciting mantras like Vam, the seed mantra of the sacral chakra, can help focus the mind and clear blockages in the chakra. Chanting the mantra while meditating can strengthen the practice and enhance the energy flow. Body scan meditation. During a body scan meditation, pay particular attention to the area around the lower abdomen. Visualize orange energy flowing through this region, releasing tension and promoting emotional harmony. Crystal meditation. Use crystals associated with the sacral chakra, such as carnelian or orange calcite, during meditation. Hold the crystal in your hand or place it on your lower abdomen while visualizing orange light emanating from the crystal. Breath work and pranayama. Practice breath work exercises or pranayama techniques that focus on the lower abdomen. This can help move energy through the sacral chakra and clear any blockages, promoting a sense of calm and emotional balance. Creative visualization. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting like a beach or a garden. Visualize the sacral chakra as an orange, spinning wheel that is energized by the surrounding beauty. This creative visualization can help balance the chakra and enhance your connection to nature. Mindful breathing. Practice mindful breathing while focusing on the sacral chakra. Inhale deeply through the nose, visualizing energy flowing into the chakra, and exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension or negative energy from the body. Color therapy. Incorporate the color orange into your meditation by visualizing the chakra surrounded by an orange glow. This color therapy can help energize the chakra and restore balance. These examples of meditation and visualization can help individuals balance the sacral chakra and promote emotional stability, creativity, and overall well-being. By consistently practicing these techniques, individuals can enhance their connection to the sacral chakra and experience a greater sense of vitality and fulfillment. The sacral chakra plays a vital role in our emotional, creative, and sensual lives. By understanding its importance and actively working to balance it, individuals can enhance their overall well-being and experience greater fulfillment in relationships and personal expression. Through meditation, yoga, nutrition, engaging in pleasurable activities, and practicing self-care, we can maintain a harmonious sacral chakra and lead a more vibrant and joyful life. The journey towards balancing this chakra requires dedication and self-awareness, but the rewards are a life filled with creativity, emotional depth, and meaningful connections. If you want a powerful meditation to balance the sacral chakra, I have another YouTube channel focused on that. It offers different meditations and calming music designed to support sacral chakra healing. You can find the link to the music meditation in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope these resources help you find emotional balance and creativity.